Day 67 of the 5 Luo Words A Day. In today's video, we talked about Ariyo, Arombe, Arombo jajuok, Arongo, and Arum. Welcome. So the first one is Ariyo. Ariyo. Ariyo means two. Ariyo. Nyithindo ariyo. Two children. Achopo sa ariyo okinyi. I'll arrive at 8 o'clock in the morning. Nyithindo ariyo. Achopo sa ariyo okinyi. Our second word is Arombe. Arombe. Arombe has two meanings. The first meaning, it is a white thorn bush from the acacia tree. And the second one that is well known is the hornet, which has a very severe sting, and sometimes it makes a nest under some stones. So Arombe is either a white thorn bush or a hornet. Our third word of the day is Arombo jajuok. Arombo jajuok. Arombo jajuok is a red caterpillar. Usually there's a superstition that it must be, when it dies, it must be buried and mourned as a person, or it will return to haunt people, simply because of the days that it usually, when the caterpillars start, the season starts, there are so many of them. Arombo jajuok olaga, koro nyaka amany lach maro mondo ahosra go. Arombo jajuok olaga, koro nyaka amany lach maro mondo ahosra go. So the red fury caterpillar has traversed my skin, so I must get urine from my mother-in-law to appease the spirits. That is a joke that goes around. I think some people think it's true though. I don't know whether it's true. Our fourth word of the day is Arongo. And Arongo is a basket that is loosely woven. In a sentence, you can say, Adwa nyiewo arongo mar dhi e chiro. Adwa nyiewo arongo mar dhi e chiro. So I'd like to buy a loosely woven basket for my market errands. Adwa nyiewo arongo mar dhi e chiro. And our last word of the day is Arum. Arum. Arum might also mean together. It's an adverb that means together. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing to the channel and also sharing the video with your friends so that they can learn the Luo language, because we want to make this language international, as they say. For now, goodbye, Oriti, and see you tomorrow.